Charlie? What?
It's coming right up.
Dark right there. Like dark smoke.
Oh,
what's that? Oh, the one in there.
Everybody else taking pictures. That's Nissan for you.
Remember Gullet Charlie?
Hey Matthew, remember that scary movie? Fog. Fog.
Get out.
Why?
You want me to film it from?
I am filming it.
It's coming right behind us! It's coming right behind us!
There goes the bird. And there it goes, there it goes, there it goes.
Close the door.
Dad's loving it.
It's coming here!
Hey look, they're putting up the screening.
It's here.
We left ours open.
It's here.
Isn't that the same thing as Casper when the aliens became? The alien ghost?
It's not that bad.
No windows open.
Nope.
Check your window.
It's not
Check the
that
back
bad.
window.
Where's the sand past the balloons?
I want to see that. It's a balloon sacrifice. Hey, Matthew's like Jurassic Park, remember? Oh, it just got all red.
It's like pitch black. It's like pitch black, remember?
Yep.
Yeah.
You can see out the.
Wait, peace.
Look
Oh
at
my
that.
God, it got darker. It's all dark. Is that a tree? Yep, it's a tree. And it's going darker.
There's that deal.